Hi, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some simple and easy mini little cakes with stuff you've probably got knocking around in your kitchen. I'm stuck inside, so first we're going to want to mix 50 grams of caster sugar and margarine or butter. I'm using granulated because it's all I've got, but caster sugar is much better because it's finer and it'll get much smoother. So you want to beat this till it's really soft and smooth, getting slightly pale and fluffy, and then we can add our egg. And again, just beat it. You can't overwork this at this point. Give it a really thorough mix. So once that's roughly combined, you can weigh out your flour and get that added in. So another 50 grams. At this point, you don't want to work it too much. You don't want to overwork your flour. So just get it combined now, lovely and smooth, and then we'll be able to move on to putting it in the moulds. So if you're spooning it in, it is a little more messy than if you've got a piping bag, but not everyone does. So I thought I'd do one like that. You will need to just wipe up around the edges to make sure you don't get any burnt bits, so it's all stays nice. With the rest of my mix, with the other half, I'm going to add a teaspoon of cocoa powder and do those in another shaped mould. The more detail your mould has, you'll get a less defined shape, because cake mix, it doesn't hold like a fine point, so more generic rounded shapes will probably work out much better. So I'm just going to carefully pipe these in, half filling it again. And we're going to preheat our oven to 160 degrees, and these took about 10 minutes, 10 minutes to cook through. They won't be very golden because they are so small, they're quite a quick cook. And then we're just going to pop them out, turn them upside down and let them steam off slightly before we try and take them out of the moulds. You do want to take them out while they're still slightly warm because it just keeps the butter soft, but you don't want to take them out while they're too hot or they'll be too delicate. So now I'm going to do some toppings. I've just taken some jam, microwaved it till it's boiling. I'm going to pour this over. It's important to give it a good boil because then it won't be as sticky and as wet once it's cooled down again. Just give them a good coat and then delicately take them off.